Be iconic.
I just pulled up to the car wash. We're gonna get this thing a wash. Got the family stuff and all the Merc in the back. Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be kind of an introduction to what we do behind the scenes, the car that we're usually in when we do go to car meets. That's some of the events we've been going to lately. More so to introduce you kind of behind the scenes. Let's check out the car. So, this is the 2007 335i. So I've had the car for about 3 years. It's been on the single turbo, I'd say maybe a year. Haven't had any problems with this in single turbo unit. I'll give you a glimpse of what the kit looks like. Alright, so the brand car, I guess. Doc Race turbo kit. You got the N54 engine. Other than that, it looks pretty stock. You couldn't really, other than the big ass turbo. Got a G-Force 3 boost controller controlling it. Yeah. Other than that, in the wheels, the car looks pretty stock. Every once in a while we do get a couple cars pull up, but most of the time if we're at an event, we're coming from an event, we got a lot of stuff on us, full of hats and stuff. We got speakers, all the cables I need for the camera equipment. So yeah, we don't win too many, but the car is a lot of fun. I'll post some clips of what it sounds like when you're stepping on it. Some clips of what it is just driving it without, you know, really beating on it. Even inside, it's pretty soft. We got a baby stuff when she's in here. It isn't too often. It's a 6-speed. I'll show you in a minute. You know, stuff I like about the car is that I don't really get attention from the police as much. People don't really ask to race all the time, which I personally like. Maybe some of y'all don't, but it does well. Not to say that's an ugly car. But yeah. Alright, I'm getting onto the highway. Just got the road mic, so we'll see how it records. Second gear pull. Yeah, so sorry these aren't perfect. I'll try to get sound clips as best as I can. This passes. See if we can catch any meets today. If not, I went to a meet yesterday. I'll post the vids up. Cars in Chata. I'll give them a huge shout out. Had a lot of dope cars. Post a little cinematic clip if I can, as well a little bit of this car. Yeah, more so just to introduce the channel, let you know we're open for interaction. We can talk. If you got any questions, and you want to see anything behind the scenes, want to see anything with the car, shit, we'll send it. And yeah, some events you'd like to see us at, some car meets, whatever, just let us know. Like and subscribe. Iconic.